Johanna, what are you doing?
I'm painting.
Painting what?
A picture of the eggs.
Are you? What's Easter about? Do you know what Easter is?
I don't know, but still.
Is it about Jesus?
Yes.
And what did Jesus do on Easter? Do you remember? Did he live again and go to heaven?
Yes.
That's pretty cool. Ooh, look at what color are you doing right now?
I'm doing purple.
Ooh. Let's see a little red. Could you do a little red?
Yeah. Let's see.
What about some of these ones in the back, maybe? Ooh, nice.
Hey.
Should we say hi to Baylor? Hi, Baylor. Happy Easter. Hi. Hi.